Today I'm going to show you how to change the background of transparent objects in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your background eraser tool from the toolbar. Select Sampling once at the top. Open the Limits list and select Discontiguous. Drag the tolerance slider all the way to 40%. Now paint over the black background to erase it. Open your Move tool from the toolbar. And drag your bottle it up onto the tab of the new background. Now press Ctrl-T to free transform. Adjust the size and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl-J. And change the blending mode of this layer from normal to screen. I'll decrease this opacity all the way to 30%. Now select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Then go to Layer. And merge layers. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.